There's one address in Latvia, Riga, Skantes iela 52. Have you ever been there, my friend? If not, you have missed a lot. And if you ask me why, because there's the financial heart of the P2P lending industry in Europe. What do I mean with that? Take a look at what are the companies who are registered at this address. Do they look familiar to you? If you are a Mintos investor, they should be so. My name is Mehmet Kara, and today I want to share with you the latest blog post of Kristaps Morse about Mintos and the shady stuff that is going on there. Let us have a look at the latest news from Mintos. On the 22nd of September, they announced that Mogo plans to acquire Tigo and Sebo. So you say nothing wrong here, right? Let me clarify that all of the research that I'm gonna share here has been done by Mr. Kristaps Morse. I'm a huge fan of his blog, and I think he's done a really amazing job with this research. And also I want to thank him for the courage and for his effort to show us all of this information, because he might get in trouble after sharing this. If you ask me why, I would say go to his blog and check it yourself. I won't reveal everything here. In fact, Mr. Kristaps Morse has done 2 blog posts about Mintos, but the second one was so shocking for me that I decided to share this information with you in order to make you more cautious and better informed about Mintos. And if you ask me who is Mintos, I won't get into details because I have done such a video already. If you haven't seen it, here you go. And I'll say just briefly that Mintos is the biggest P2P lending platform in Europe with a 40% market share. You heard me right. They are so mighty that they have 40% or more than 1/3 of the total market value. Or say it in other words, more than 5 billion euro have been invested already on this platform. Now let us go back to this famous address in Riga, Skantes iela 52, and take a look at the companies who are registered there. I will just name the loan originators because the list goes on and goes on. We have Mogo, Delfin Group, Pici, Express Credit, we have Zenka, Finco, Finitera. If you have watched my Mintos video, you already know what the common is between those companies. They all have the same beneficial owner as Mintos, Mr. Aiges Kesenfolds. Let me remind you what a beneficial owner means according to the Latvian law. It means that the person who is beneficial owner owns more than 25% of the shares of the company and has a significant influence in the decision making of this company. Actually, I already knew about most of those companies to have the same owner as Mintos, but some of them were new. For example, Delfin Group, which most of us consider as one of the most safest loan originators on Mintos with a solid A rating. And also Zenka, which has a lower C+ rating, but has never been suspended on the primary market and never had a pending payment. Now I'll tell you the story in short, but I highly recommend you reading the whole blog posts of Mr. Kristaps Morse. I will link them in the description below. In short words, Mr. Kristaps Morse suspects the following scenario. First, all of the good loan originators will be moved to Mogo. So Mogo will acquire all of the loan originators having no issues so far. Second, all of the toxic loan originators will be left over in their current holdings, Finitera, Finco, Express Credit. On the third place, all of those holdings left with only toxic loan originators will be removed from the Mintos marketplace and will be forgotten. Later, Mintos shareholders will try to sell Mogo at a better price to a new company, or they'll try to list it on the stock exchange, initial public offer it. And the last point, which is the most shocking one, all of the investors who have invested in the loans of the toxic loan originators will be left holding the bag and hoping that they will receive at least part of their investments till the end of 2022. This is the scenario. So the future looks bright and shiny, right? Now, if you ask me what I think about this information, I would say I think this scenario is quite possible and it won't surprise me if it really happens this way. Because we have already experienced this with Monego. At the beginning there were promises that Finiteria Group will cover all of the loans of Monego in order to keep its name and to be more attractive for the investors. But we have seen later on that nothing of this happened. If you ask me what I will do personally with my portfolio, first I will put all of my Skanste Sielovo 52 investments on sale on the secondary market with no premium and with no discount. And everything that I'm able to sell on this way will go straight to my Peerberry account. I'm happy to use Revolut and Paysera, so it won't cost me a dime to do this, if we don't count of course the Mintos secondary market fees. What will happen next and how the story continues, you'll learn in my monthly update, which I'm gonna publish next week. What do you think about this scenario? Let me know in your comments below. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, like my video to support it, and see you again next week with my next video.